Small change I try to do. Here we have Swedish census 843, 8 with ancestor subscription required. That means if you don't have the subscription, you can't see this quote. You don't understand where it is. So I think this is a bad standard. Up here is a quote for Näsum C1, etc. So we take this one, can explain what it is. Here, Näsum. So Näsum is the parish. C17 is the book, unique number of the book. If we go to Arkiv Digital, which is the leading vendor of churchbooks digital, you can see they have a reference here on Näsum to NAD. And if I click on that reference, I go to the Church Archive of Näsum. And then we have all where the books are stated and so on. And also they say that it's, if you can just use books that are older than 70 years old. But then you have finding aid here, and what we had on our page, I think, was C17. C17, and here you have the birth book. Sorry, this is in Swedish. C17, and here you have, and you also have images. Now I am at Riksarkivet and so if you have a subscription, you can also see them in this tool. But I prefer using Archive Digital. So if we go back to this jumps to 1843, page 183. And I think I have that page open here. No. So it's a household books 1844 must be. And then you have the page number and you have the picture number. So the page number is the physical. You can see it up here, you can see it up here. 183. And when they took the picture, this was picture number 190. And so if I do a copy of the source identification here, we can see that we now have Näsum, which is the parish, and then we have the unique book AI6. In this case, we have the image number, you have the physical page number, and then we have those things which is just for Archive Digital. NAD is the national standard. So this is the way here, and if we go back to this is the scanned books at Ancestry, and the quality, I think they have bought some old Swedish register, and I think that is the same as we have here. So this is SVAR, so it's the same book, and I think this and Archive Digital is the same picture. Maybe this is look better. Yeah. But just to say, this could be a good, but normally it's better to have the name of the unique number of the book. And in the Archive Digital you just do Ctrl+C and then you have it for free. About reference Swedish books. Thanks for listening. And another thing is that I spoke to Svar and I spoke to Archive Digital, and it's okay to use the picture if you don't have 50 pictures, 50 pages or something like that in a web like Wiki3. You should just mention it's from Svar or the picture is from Archive Digital. And I think that will change the way we do in genealogy when we can have a reference and we can also see the source, a picture of the source. So I hope more people will start doing that. And for example, today I did on Bengta Nils' daughter, I added also a picture here where I have some notations at the bottom, because Bengta Nils' daughter is written at the end of the page and Has is also, so it's really difficult to find. Then I did a remark here, and here we have the same reference. What you can also do if you are enormous advanced is that you can add a link. This is 36. Here it is. Then you can add a link, which means that this is clickable. So if I click on it, a file is downloaded to this place, and when I click on that, the correct page will open up in Archive Digital. And that is the same as when you're looking in these books. You can also take the URL, which is the build ID, picture ID, plus this URL. I think you have here is the build ID. So this unique is the one at the end. That's all. Thank you.